Say hi to the camera. Say hi, Frank. Hi. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a good Halloween. This is November 2nd. You know what that means? It means that everyone's already crazy about the holidays. I went to Starbucks today and they already have peppermint mocha, which is awesome, but like really? But at the same time, you know how that goes. So since Sephora has already launched their holiday collections out a while ago, way before Halloween, and I picked up a couple items, I thought I would review those items that I picked out. The first one is this beauty blender set. This is a set of 4 beauty blenders. I'm just gonna pop it out of the socket. It comes in this triangular package and you unfold it. It's like a magnet, and I just love the little sprinkles. I just love the little sprinkles on top. And you unfold it and it gives you 4 beauty blenders, 1 of which I already used, and 4 beauty blender cleansers. I think this is so cute, and it gives you the names. And it gives you the names at the bottom through Beauty Blender Original, Sapphire, Ivy, and Joy. Now this is a $112 value and it retails for $65. And I'm a beauty blender fanatic. Like if there's any sponge that I prefer, it is the beauty blender. And on my blog I did a review about the beauty blender and I compared that one to the Real Techniques orange sponge, and I will link that down below. It's really cool. That's actually my most successful post, so it'd be really cool to check it out of why I recommend splurging on the beauty blender. And I've never actually used these little solid cleansers, so I don't know how they work. I have the liquid cleaner, but they're just so cute. They look like little mints. But you should be washing your sponges pretty often. I know a lot of products get soaked up in there, and replacing them every, I'm not sure, but just replacing them every once in a while. So I think this is a great value for the price. You're getting a lot and you're just like, hey, just sponges, but these retail for $20 each. And the packaging is just like so cute. It's a little triangle, a prism, I guess. And yeah, so that's the tea on that. And the next product, which is the main event of this video, is the Christmas Dreams Dream Queen limited edition makeup package collection from Too Faced. And I got something like this last year. It came with like a planner and like a mascara and the liquid melted matte lipstick, like a mini one. That's similar to what this is. It comes with a palette, a makeup bag, the Deluxe Hangover Setting Spray, a mini version, and an Ultra Plush Lip Gloss, a mini version, and a Better Than Sex Mascara mini version. And if you know me, if you watched some of my other videos, you know that's like my favorite mascara. So I'm just going to open this up. And this setting spray, this primer slash setting spray slash refresh, I actually used on Halloween and my makeup stayed on all night. So you can see I already have my foundation, my contour, my highlight on, and that's because I'm going to review the palette. And I'm probably going to set my face with this Hangover 3-in-1. And honestly, my makeup stayed on all night, but I still prefer the Urban Decay All Nighter. That's just a brand preference for me, just because I've been using that for years and I love it. But this wasn't bad, and when I did my makeup to film, I primed my face with this. And the thing about like water-based primers is that you have to let it dry for a few minutes. So that's the only like downside to that. I was with like a cream primer. You can just like rub it in your face and it sets. But this is silicone free, alcohol free, and oil free, which is some pluses. If you have oily skin, this might be something you want to look into. And since it's a limited version, you can just pluck it in your bag and just refresh your face, because that's what it's for. Yeah, so there's that. And then the second thing this comes with is like a little pouch with flamingos on it. I love flamingos. They're my second favorite animal. Dinosaurs are my first, in case you didn't know. Fun fact about me. It says two-faced up here. It's pink. It's got flamingos with bow ties. I also love bow ties. My cat and my dog both have one. It's just like a makeup bag on the go. It's fun. Like I'm like living for this. This is really also honestly why I wanted this set, because of this. I just like love a flamingo, anything flamingos, and how convenient. You can just put that right in there, zip it up, and take it with you, throw it in your bag, and it's flexible. It's not like, and it folds, it bends. It's obviously not gonna hold any stuff in there, but like you can like fold it and stuff it in your bag. Like if this was the only thing I would have in here, I can just like fold it up like this and put it in there, so it doesn't take up much room in my purse. And yeah, that's pretty great. So I know that's really an in-depth review about a purse bag clutch thing, but hey, I love it. And now for the eyeshadow palette. This is the palette. It says Dream Queen on it, and it's got two little flamingos, one with a bow tie, one without a bow tie. And it's got some stars around it. You know what's cute? It's cute. It opens up like a storybook. This is actually really similar to, like, a similar layout to the holiday collection last year. It was like a little storybook thing like this, and you just open it up, and the layout's the same. And some of the shade names are Twinkle, Wrap It Up, Secret Santa, Polar Bear Hug, Unwrapped, Christmas Cookie. And the thing I like about this is they come with like some blush tones. I think those are supposed to be like blushes. But there you go, you can like see all the shade names. I'm getting that. And on the inside it says Too Faced with flamingos. Or those swans. Actually, I think they're swans. Swan, flamingo, whatever. I still like it. So I'm just going to swatch a few shades on my finger. This shade Twinkle sticking out to me. This like gold one. Ooh, it's really buttery. And I'm just going to see that. And I'm just going to swatch it on my hand. Ooh, it's really, really pigmented and gold, and it's perfect for the holidays. The next shade I'm going to go into is the one right next to it, called Wrap It Up. It's like another gold, like a warmer gold, orangey copper. And this one's not as buttery. You can feel the glitter. I'm just going to swatch that right on my hand. And again, it's really, really pigmented. Now I'm going to go try a matte shade. I'm going to do this brown one called Let's Kringle. And just swatch that. And there's on my finger. And there it is there. So I thought I would do a look with this palette. So first I'm going to prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Anti-Aging Eye Primer Potion. And I'm just going to go in and put that all over my eyes. Now I'm going to take this fluff brush from my makeup brush set, and I'm going to go in with this whitish peachish shade called Polar Bear Hug. I'm just going to dip into that and go all over my lid. Now I'm going to take a tapered crease brush from Sephora and go in with this shade I swatched called Let's Kringle. And I'm just gonna go right into my crease. Now I'm going to take this same brush and go in with this red shimmer shade called Cozy Up. And I'm just going to pop that on my crease also, but just right in the outer corner. So there's a little bit of fallout, but nothing too crazy. The shades so far are blending really well, which I'm excited about. Next, I'm going to take a packing brush, also from Sephora, and I think I'm going to go in with this silver shade called Silver Bells. I'm just going to dip in right there. I'm going to go over my lid, the inner portion of my lid. Now I'm going to take a fluff brush from my makeup brush set, and I'm going to go in with this shade Unwrapped and put that in my brow bone. I'm just gonna get rid of the fallout. I also wanted to try the blush shades that came in this palette. So I'm gonna take my Real Techniques blush brush and dip in to this lighter one called Sweet on Santa. I'm gonna dip in and go. I usually never wear blush, so this is new to me, but oh, that doesn't look bad. And there's this side and there's this side, so you can see a comparison. And I'm just gonna swatch the other one called Winterberry on my hand for you guys. It's this color. I'm just gonna swatch it on the back of my hand. It's like really pink. So I'm not gonna do any eyeliner today. Like, I'm kind of liking this look without eyeliner, so I'm just gonna keep it here. But overall, this eyeshadow palette, I really like it. The shadings are cute, and that's always a plus. The colors are blendable, they're pigmented. The fallout's kind of annoying, but that happens with like 99% of palettes anyway. The only thing I would say that I would like add to this palette is like maybe some more matte shades instead of like, there's a lot of shimmers. Like, as I'm looking at it, I can see there's like a lot of shimmer shades in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe like 6 mattes. But I see like the majority of them are like shimmers. Yeah, so definitely this palette is something you can keep for a gift or if you want it for yourself. I definitely give this an A. And now for mascara, Better Than Sex, which this little mini tube comes with the package. As I said before, I love this mascara. The wand is like curved in all the right places, and it doesn't take very long for your lashes to look long and perfect. You can see from this side, you can see the comparison. How these are just so better than sex, no sex. I'm gonna just do my other eye really fast. And last but not least, this bundle comes with this Too Faced Pink Swan lip gloss. I'm not really a fan of glosses, but this is something I might put over a lipstick. Like in my last video, I put on the highlighter. It seems pink and glittery. Just pop it on really fast. It's not sticky, which is really nice. It kind of tastes bad, which I don't like. But it definitely makes the lipstick shiny, and I think it complements this look. I love the little swans on the cap. I can't believe I was calling them flamingos the whole time. Yeah, like this is something nice to have if you have no makeup on and you just want to need that little boost of confidence. Like just pop this on really fast. It definitely makes my lips look more plump, which is always a nice thing. So yeah, I'm not too big of a fan of this, but if you're not a lipstick person, unlike me, then this is probably a great thing for you to have. And it's nice that it came with the bundle, which by the way is only $57 or $58, and that's a $357 value. So I think for the price you're getting a lot. Like I said, I only bought it for the palette because I already had the mascara and I don't really care for this. Oh yeah, the setting spray. So I need to set my face now with this, and this also has like a weird smell to it. But like that's a 3-in-1, and like I said before, I'm just gonna stick with the Urban Decay All Nighter because it's what I love and what I'm used to. But this definitely isn't bad. If you don't want to spend the money on a primer and a setting spray, this is perfect for you because it's 3-in-1, and you can put it in your little swan pouch and take it with you just to touch up during the day. And like I said before, I wore it on Halloween and my makeup stayed on all night. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, and subscribe, give a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of either the Beauty Blender set or the Dream Queen bundle. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you next week. Bye, babes.